Hello, this is Jerry Sawyer for Certified Refrigerant Services in Punta Gorda, Florida. Today I'm going to show you how to use the Neutronics R22 Mini ID tester. It's right here in front of me. I've got two cylinders here. You recognize them, 30-pound cylinders. They both have refrigerant in them, but what do they have? Okay. Now, I already know what's in these cylinders because I've already run a test on each one using our gas chromatography equipment. CRS has invested over $100,000 in test equipment to determine purity of all refrigerant types. But you don't have that capability, and that's what this little unit is all about. It's to help you improve the quality of the purity of the R22 that you are collecting. As you can see, the unit is very simple. There's a single power switch on the top and a single operation button. There are indicator lights. Let's go ahead and set up and run a test on these two cylinders. Okay, we're going to turn the power on. It's got a battery, so we're going to flip it on. And you're going to see the lights are going to go through a sequence. Press the next button for it to go into a warm-up state. I'm going to place it over here. I've already got it connected, as you can see, to the vapor port. Very important, the vapor port. Read the handle. Make sure it is the vapor port. Liquid charge will severely damage the unit. After approximately 90 seconds, the calibrating light will begin to flash. Once again, press the next button. After approximately 60 seconds, the analyzing light will begin to flash. Press the next button. It's at this time that we will introduce our sample into the unit. Again, a vapor sample. There you can see, this refrigerant has passed the test, meaning that its purity, the R22 purity, is 95% or greater. Here is the gas chromatography test for that sample. You can see that the purity here is 99%. There's a small amount of 410 components here, R125 and R32. But it's acceptable at 99%. It passed the Mini RD test. After the last test, you can continue testing. Disconnect the fitting from the valve of the cylinder, press the next button, and it will return to calibrating. And you repeat the sequence again. Once again, after about 60 seconds, the analyzing light is flashing. It's at this point that we want to introduce our sample. The sample from this cylinder failed. Let's take a look at the GC. The GC test shows that it's 91.87% R22. So there you have it. You have a pass-fail. One cylinder could contaminate an entire half-ton, 1,000 pounds of refrigerant. When we say that, contaminate, cross-contaminate, by mixing a refrigerant other than R22. To continue testing, just press the next button and disconnect your fitting. It will go back to the calibrating, flashing, as you can see there, and just repeat the process. Well, there you have it. It's that simple. One button operation to maximize the value of your recovered R22. And it's only CRS, Certified Refrigerant Services, that's offering this program to put one of these in your hands. So contact us with your questions and good luck. Thank you again. I'm Jerry Sawyer for Certified Refrigerant Services.